Hi there, I'm just going to show you how to change the battery on your Kia Soul EV key fob. Need a few things: a flathead screwdriver, a CR2032 key battery, which you can get sort of over the internet or from a supermarket or newsagent, somewhere like that, and of course your key fob. First thing you need to do is remove the physical key from the key fob. You've got a little button on the back here, give that a press, pull that to remove the key blade. And if you look in the end, you'll notice there's a little slot there into which your screwdriver can fit. Then you just give it a twist just to prise the back off, like so. Okay, now you want to take the back off there, so reverse side upwards, so that all of this gubbins doesn't fall out of the key. But there you go. When the back's removed, you see there's the battery. So using your screwdriver, just pop that in there and use that to prise the battery out. And then in goes the replacement battery, which goes in with the positive side face down. So that's the smooth side with the writing. Goes on face down in there like that. Then you simply put that back on. Give it a press, pop the key blade in, and then the battery is all changed. There you go. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.